Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today I'm doing some cooking. I went to Aldi a few days ago and I spent 24.81, so I'm using up some of the ingredients to make some dinner today. I made tandoori chicken yesterday and I had some leftover rice. So what am I going to do? I'm going to make some stuffed peppers, and with the last bit of rice I've made a rice pudding. So my rice pudding has got a cup and a half, a mug and a half of milk, 2 heaped tablespoons of sugar, some knobs of butter, and because I bought some sultanas the other day I've thrown a handful of them in. And I'm also going to put in, she says, if she can open the bottle, some cinnamon. This is 89p in Aldi. Lovely on anything with apples in as well. Gives it a nice colour, because I thought, well, I've got the oven on, got the rice, ideal. Make some cinnamon rice pudding. You don't have to have the sultanas in, you don't have to have the cinnamon in, but if you're just making a rice pudding, just add a mug and a half of milk, 2 heaped tablespoons of sugar, and a few knobs of butter. It tastes even more buttery if you leave it overnight in the fridge. It just seems to infuse the flavours better and it tastes more buttery, more creamy. I'm putting cinnamon in and the sultanas in, so it doesn't really matter. So that's that done. So what am I doing? Well, yesterday, as well as cooking the chicken tandoori, I cooked 2 plain pieces of chicken. I bought a packet of chicken thighs for £2.99. 5 were made into tandoori and 2 were just roasted separately. So my son will have 2 pieces of chicken and 2 stuffed peppers and a baked potato. I'm going to have 2 baked potatoes and 2 stuffed peppers, and we're both going to have a little bit of mixed salad. These bags are 75p. And we'll finish off this coleslaw that was also reduced. And because the oven's on, I'm going to cook the other sweet corn that I bought, because I bought 2 sweet corns. I've cut it in half, well, try to do it. And that'll be cooked separately with a little knob of butter. So let's crack on with the filling for our stuffed peppers. So all I've done is just drizzle some oil over. I used virgin olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you want. If you haven't got any oil in, maybe put a knob of butter at the bottom. And I've chopped up some veggies that I had. So I had some reduced tomatoes, I got some wonky peppers, I've used a green wonky pepper and a teeny tiny onion. I get bags of little tiny onions, I think they're around 80p, sometimes at £1, depends on where you buy them. So I'm going to mix these in. So basically just using up veggies from the fridge. I had a few mushrooms left, so I've just chopped them up as well. You don't go in. They're like, no, stay in here. No, stop it. And if you want to make it taste more meaty and flavoursome, I've chopped up 1 slice of bacon, so that's optional. My son doesn't like pork, so we won't want the bacon in his, but I'll have the bacon in mine. I get these 10 rashers of smoked bacon, the 169, and it's 360 grams of bacon, so I think that's not too bad a price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the filling in before I mix in the bacon. As you can see, I'm messy, but I am filming with one hand. So it is a bit messy. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Forgot to put my bacon in mine. So yeah, you could easily make about 6, maybe 8 of these peppers with that amount of rice, because there's just loads there. Absolutely loads. I'll tidy up in a minute. Throwing in the bacon. There you go, and the bacony ones will be mine. As you can see, I'm dead messy. This woman hasn't got a clue. As I've said to other people, I am not a chef. I'm just a mum who tries her best. I can't do any more than that. So if I was at home doing this myself, well, I am at home, doing it without filming, it would be much neater. In theory. Get them in there. Get in. Let's get the bits of peppers off of over here. Nice. You get the general idea. I'm having a mess. And my son, rather than having bacon on his, he likes some cheese. So a nice big messy meal. So what I do as well on mine, because I've got bacon as well, I throw in a bit of soy sauce. So I make some oriental mixed peppers, stuffed peppers. And why is it oriental? Because I put soy sauce on. If I had it, I've got none left at the moment, I would use Chinese 5-spice. It's absolutely lovely. Like an aniseedy type flavour, so I highly recommend that. So stick these in the bottom of the oven for about half an hour. Gas 6-7, 200 degrees, maybe 180. Have a little look on them, check on them. Don't put them at the top of the oven because the cheese will just melt and disintegrate while everything else is heating up.